In this video we are going to discuss about how to take the log less than one value, that is the numbers which is starting from 0.1345, 0.0516, that is the, it means that is the less than one values. That number, how to take the log for these numbers. We can easily to take the log which one is greater than the one value, but it is difficult to take the log value for the less than one value numbers. We will discuss with some examples. Let's see how to take the log for 0.1456 and take the log value for 0.014563 and take the log value for 0.001453. Let's see how to discuss these numbers, how to take the log for these numbers. So first we have to, we have to make it in the standard form, these numbers. So what is the 0 point? We can convert into how many decimal if you have to change it to becoming standard form. So log, it will be 1 decimal, it is required to change their position only one, so only 1.4563. So what is the 1.4563 into 10 power minus 1. So why 10 power minus 1? Only one digit was moved forward. Suppose in this one, what is that? Log, how many digits it should be moved? 1, 2. So it is the 1.4563 into 10 power minus 2. So suppose this one, how many digits? 1, 2, 3. So log 1.4563, how many digits you have to move? 3 digits. So 10 power minus 3. Like that. First we have to change it in the standard form. Now we have to take the log according to the log A into B is equal to log A plus log B. That is the formula. Log A into B. A into B is equal to log A plus log B. So here also it was in the form of multiplication. We have to convert in this form. So log 1.4563 plus log 10 power minus 1. We converted. Now we converted according to the log rules. Now what we have to do? Now we have to take the log value of 14. What is the value of 14th table? 5th column. 6 is the mean difference. After that, whatever number we have to neglect. There is no need to mind these numbers. So only 14th row, 5th column and 6th column mean difference. So 14th row, 5th column, what is the value? 1614. What is the value? 1614. Now that is the 6th column, mean difference 18. That is the mean difference. Hereafter that is the mean difference. So if you add this value, we will get 2, 3, 6, 1. So we will get the table value 1632. Now, as I told you in the last video, there is only one digit. Before, how many digits are there? Only one digit. So we have to start the answer 0 point plus table value 1632 plus log 10 power minus 1. Now we have to take the value of log 10. So the log 10 power minus 1, we can convert like that. This one we can take it in this side, that is the log rule. So minus 1 log 10, we can convert like that. Log 10 power minus 1, we can minus 1 log 10. We can change it in that form. So now take the value of log 10. Log 10 means what is that? 10.00, like that it is value. What is the value of 10? 10, 2 digit number. How many digit number? 2 digits. So we have to start the answer 1 point. So 10, what is the answer? 0, 0. So 0, 0, 0. So now minus 1. So log 10 power minus 1 value is like that. If you derive this one, we will get minus 1. What is the value we will get? Minus 1. Log 10 power minus 1 is equal to, we can convert minus 1 log 10. So log 10 value is the 1. So minus 1 multiplied by 1, that is we will get minus 1. That we are adding here. 0.1632 plus minus 1. So if you remove this bracket, 0.1632 minus 1. So if you minus, this is the plus value, this is the minus value. If you minus from 1 is the like that. So what is 0.1632? If you minus it, 10, 8, 6, 3, 8, 0 minus. We will get the value minus 0.8368. What is the value we will get? Minus 0.8368. So like that you have to follow the same method here also. So here also we have to follow the same method. So what is the we taken the value of these, we know what is the log value of this one, 0.1632, 1632, that is the value, and this one it will convert into minus 2. When we are taking, that value is minus 2. So from that is 0.1632 minus 2. So what is the answer we will get? 1.8368. The same method if you are applying that one also, what is the first what we are doing? So we are converting into the log 1.4563 plus log 10 power minus 3. Then after what we are doing? According to the, we are taking the log for this number. What is the log value? 0.1632. What is the value? Log value of 14th column, 5th row, 6th, that if you are taking 1632 plus log 10, that is how we are taking this value, log, this we are converting minus 3 log 10. The log 10 value is the, we know that is the 1, log 10 value is the 1. So 0.1632 plus minus 3 into 1. So that one we will convert 0.1632 plus minus 3. So it will convert 0.1632 minus 3. The answer we will get 2.8368 we will get. So this is the way to take the less than 1 value number for taking the log. This is the way we are taking less than 1 value numbers, log taken methods. Thank you for watching, all of you.
Yeah!